Hey, good to see you again. Sometimes mid-afternoon I get a little bit hungry. Not enough to have dinner, and I don't want to grab a bar or some other unhealthy snack. So often on a Sunday afternoon, I'll make a tasty but also healthy dip that I can enjoy throughout the week. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Everything that's in it is right on here. And we're gonna put everything in at the same time with the exception of the artichokes that come at the end. The best part about it is the only thing you gotta chop are some shallots. Are you ready to do this with me? Let's do it. Et voila! That's it.